Hey, Steve here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to this free affiliate marketing course. Now, this is a 100% free course. It's going to show you how you can launch a #1 beginner-friendly, fully automated online business from home. And the good news is you don't have to have any tech skills, products, experience, anything. I'm going to show you how you can start completely free. You can set up your affiliate marketing business, and you can start making commissions very, very quickly. So, what is in it for you? This is going to show you how to get out of your 9 to 5 job if you want to start an online business. It's going to show you how to create a monthly passive income from scratch, and you can work from home, obviously. Now, this is going to show you how to build a real online business and create multiple passive income streams on autopilot. And this is how you achieve complete financial freedom. So, let's take a look at what you get in this free affiliate marketing course. You're going to learn how to set up an automated system that pays you passively for life. You're going to get the blueprint to quit your 9 to 5 job. You're going to get the best affiliate programs to promote and get recurring commissions. It's going to show you how to build a $100 a day email list. It's going to show you how to set everything up for free with the free system that we show you. It's going to show you how to get free unlimited traffic to your links to make the commissions. Now, if you need extra help, there's a mentoring program you can join, not required, but it's going to fast track your success. Also going to show you how to get more leads with YouTube ads. And finally, it's going to show you all the tools that are used to create a real 7-figure business from scratch. So if you've been wanting to start an online business with affiliate marketing and don't know where to start, this is a great option for you. You're going to get access to a 100% free course. All you have to do is go to the link below, click on this button, enter your information, and you're going to get instant access to this free affiliate marketing course. So go ahead and take action, click the link below, and get access to your free course. And I hope to see you on the inside. Thanks for watching.